Let's just say you have a BDR who is doing hundreds of calls a day. They are way outperforming on volume, but they're getting stuck on the results. They're not really moving forward. They're not converting their calls into closes, and there's something broken in their system. Now, one of the most key things in understanding systems is the difference between a constraint or bottleneck in your business and noise. Now, a constraint is something that's actually holding the business back. And a simple way to look at this is if I ask you the question, if we fix this, will it improve something in the business? Will it reduce risk? Will it increase lifetime value? Will it increase revenue? Or will it recapture or claim some time for something so it can be reused into the business? So if the answer is no to any of those, you don't have a constraint, you have noise. On the sales side, 1 in 10 were having that issue. So you can see how that constraint is much bigger in our business and actually is holding us back. We want to understand what the constraint is, what's holding us back, and then by solving this, will it actually move the needle